Welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today I am going to try the viral floating sheet ghost trend. So let's make this easy craft. You will need foam balls, white cloth, black paper, scissors and thin yarn. First you're going to take the yarn, tie a thick knot one end and put it through one of the balls. Make sure that the yarn doesn't go through all the way, so you can tie more knots here. Or better yet, take some hot glue and glue the end here. So now it won't leave the ball. Next, you will take the cloth and cut a desirable length. I'm going to cut it in half. So it's about 1 meter in length. So I'm going to find the center or somewhere close to center. Pull the needle all the way through. It's something like this. Our floating sheet ghost is almost ready. Now there's only one step left. Tie a knot here. Just go through the fabric, make a loop and put the needle through. Repeat it once more. So here's your sheet ghost. Now you can release the thread from the needle and place it on the table like so. Now find a space where you will add the eyes. So I have this black paper. I'm going to cut a small rectangle, fold it and draw eyes. And there we have two floating sheet ghosts. Now I'm going to hang these up and see how they look.